Hello everyone, welcome to Compass Wave. We just wanted to introduce a new feature called the tour. So if you've already been a customer before, you can go to Settings, Company, and click Restart Tour. If you're a new customer and sign up after watching this video, you'll automatically have the tour start up. So let me show you kind of what that looks like once we restart the tour. So this is what you'll see when you first log in and sign up. It'll kind of walk you through just introducing you to the tour. At any point throughout the tour, you can click on exit and then end tour, which I'll demonstrate here in a second. And that'll basically take you out of the tour and allow you to navigate through the application yourself. If you want to follow through with the tour, you just click on next. It'll start to walk you through different elements on the website. It'll tell you which menus to go to. So for here, it's telling you to go to the questions page. This will walk you through how to add a question. Just different information. You just keep clicking next. Click next. Next. And you'll just keep putting in information in here. It'll tell you to go up here, click Save Changes. I'm actually going to click on Exit to show you what that looks like. So this is just telling you that we're ending the tour, and if you'd like to restart the tour, you can always go to Settings on the company page and click on Restart Tour. Thanks everyone.